Highway Code Rule 123. The driver and the environment. You must not leave a parked vehicle unattended with the engine running, or leave a vehicle engine running unnecessarily while that vehicle is stationary or on a public road. Generally, if the vehicle is stationary and is likely to remain so for more than a couple of minutes, you should apply the parking brake and switch off the engine to reduce emissions and noise pollution. However, it is permissible to leave the engine running if the vehicle is stationary in traffic or for diagnosing faults. Speed limits. Now, these are the speed limits that apply to various vehicles, and you should be aware of them in case you're driving a different vehicle to normal. So cars, which is what we're mainly interested in a built-up area, 30 miles an hour. A single carriageway, a normal road out in the country, is 60. Dual carriageways and motorways are 70. If you're towing a trailer or a caravan, in built-up areas your speed limit's 30. A single carriageway is 10 miles an hour less, it's 50. And dual carriageways and motorways are 60, 10 miles an hour less than when you're driving your car normally. Buses, coaches and minibuses are 30 in a built-up area, 50 on a single carriageway, 60 on a dual carriageway, and they can do 70 on a motorway. Goods vehicles, not exceeding 7.5 tonnes, not likely to affect you, but the speed limit is 30 in town, 50 on a normal road, 60 on dual carriageway, 70 on motorways. Large goods vehicles, that's over 7.5 tonnes in weight, are not likely to affect you, 30 in town, 50 on a normal road, 60 on dual carriageways and motorways. And large goods vehicles articulated over 7.5 tonnes, 30 in town, only 40 on a normal road, 50 only on a dual carriageway and 60 only on a motorway.